Alden Richards and Rabea Mateo joined the fun at the Brilliant Color Fun Run to celebrate Brilliant Skin Essentials' 8th-year anniversary.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Alden Richards nakilahok sa naganap na Color Fun Run sa ika-8-year anniversary ng Brilliant Skin Essentials, kasama ang batang CEO na si Ms. Glenda de la Cruz at ang Miss Universe Philippines 2020 na si Rabea Mateo sa langsod ng Morong Rizal.
I have surprises on the corner. I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just have to make them yours and tap directly. Open the door. Dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no time to stop. Right now, we are alive. Take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift you cannot see. No need to worry about tomorrow's conflicts. Just enjoy the moment, make the most of life. Living, getting lost in the flow. Unexpected flow. Stand and flow. Getting lost in the flow. Unexpected
Dahil, syempre, hindi aabot ng 8 years ang Brilliant kung walang ang isa sa inyo. Amit ko kasi lahat naging posible dahil sa inyong lahat.
Let's dance all night. It's so good.
Okay, siyempre, ayan.
Yung picture.
Picture muna.
Yes. Picture.
Picture. Dito po sa, ayan na madam, yung team. Guys, taas kabay!
Yes, lahat kayo.
During the time na, ito daw yung yung unang araw na pumunta siya ng Laguna sa isang planta para magpagawa ng sabon. So this day marks that day. So 8 years ago, doon nagsimula ang Brilliant Skin. So nakakatawa na ganito nakalaki at ganito po kayong lahat. Congratulations!
Yes, ayan.
Thank you so much.
Picture muna. Thank you so much. Yan, Alden Richard.
Yes, picture.
And good morning everybody and let's have some fun. Happy 8th anniversary po sa ating lahat. Thank you po.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Top 4 Outstanding Business Taxpayer at Top 8 Real Property Taxpayer.